Hello, welcome to another video for necessary Python for artificial intelligence. In this video, we will learn about the Lambda function in Python. So my name is Shasab. So let's get to it. And Lambda function in Python is a small anonymous function defined without a name. It is often used for short, simple operations and is limited to a single expression single expression single expression. Okay, so here is the syntax for lambda functions. This is a keyword for lambda, defining the lambda function, and here we take the arguments, and here we provide the expression. So let's try this lambda function and see how it works in action. So let's say I want a function that adds 10 to any argument provided to it. So we use define the lambda function. We use lambda, and it will take an argument that is x, and what it does, it take the x argument and adds 10 to it. So this is it, and now we can call it like one sample. We pass an argument of 10. So what it will do, it will execute and take the argument 10 and add it with the 10. So let's do another example. Here what we are trying to do is like add two numbers, and we define the lambda function. Here it will take two arguments, a comma b, and what it does, it adds them, a plus b, and let's call it 2 comma, let's say 6, and here we have the answer. So this is a simple execution and demonstration of the lambda function. So let's move on to some more complex examples. Like, for example, let's say we have a list lst, and it has numerical values 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and what we want with the list is, let's say we want the square of every elements in the list. So okay, SQA square is equal to, we will define what is we need a squared list. So what we do is type in list and use a map function, and it will, the map can take two arguments. That first is the any function, that is lambda, or any built-in function you can use there as well. So we are using here lambda, and what it's doing, it's taking the arg x, and what it's doing, it's squaring the x. Okay, and second argument, what it's the map function will take, it apply this on list that we have created above. So okay, it's throwing some error. Invalid syntax. Okay, I think I forgot to close the invalid syntax. Okay, spy, this map. What is wrong here? Okay, I forgot to provide the X here. Okay, now you can see that it's working. So what it is doing, that first we created a list 1 2 3 4 5, and these are the elements of the list, and next we provide the name of the lambda function, and what we need a list of square of these list item that we created. So that and so this is the list function, and we want to apply this lambda function on all the elements of the list. Or so as a first argument we are providing the lambda function, and the second argument is the list that on to which the lambda function will be applied. So when we execute it, it provides us the square of each element of the list. So an other interesting example would be like, for example, okay, let's do it. It's sorted. Let's say again we have a list two, and it contains like random numbers 3, some, okay, 1, 3, and 6, 9, let's say 9, and then we have 8. These are the random numbers in the list, and we want to sort them. Sort one, and what we can do is we use sorted, and next what we can do, sorted can take 3 arguments. First it will take the lst to the list to which the function will be applied. Next we have a key, and in the key we provide lambda function, and for lambda we use every item in it's checked for every item in the list, and this is again the first and the first is the argument here, and after that what we need to do, we have to provide an expression, since the sorted will be applied on the whole this expression. So it will we know no further action here, and let's use it. Okay, then sort one. Okay, as you can see it has sorted the list here. And what if we want this in reverse? In that case, what we can say true. So it will reverse the sorting of the list. So this is this was lambda function so far. So I hope you got the idea of how it is used and how intuitive and simple it is. rather than creating a full function uh, as we normally create in the Python. You can use a simple Lambda function for simple calculations. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like this video. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching.